Hi guys, alright, you ask, you shall receive. Here is the rocking tutorial. Rocking is actually super easy. So yeah, let's just do it. So you know how in shuffling you're always jumping, so this is basically what you do all the time. So there it is, jump, 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 jump. And there is always like a main beat and the secondary beat. So it's pam 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 pam. So it's 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. In order to help you, you do those jumps, and with the upper body, you do one time up and one time down. So you do up down 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 up down. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is au chapelain. So now for rocking, repeat the same, but just imagine that there's something stuck to the bottom of your shoe. So we're going to be doing 4 counts to the right and 4 counts to the left. So we're going to be doing 4 counts to the right leg and 4 counts to the left leg. So imagine you're trying to get rid of something that is stuck to the bottom of your shoe, like that. How would you normally do it? You do it like this. So you're jumping, and so think either you're kicking or you're trying to get rid of something. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So now moving forward, there are a few combinations you can do. You can do 4 times and start doing to the back. The kick you're going to be doing, you're going to do to the back, to the side, to the front, and to step on it. So it's going to look like that. To the back, to the side, to the front, and step on it. To the back, to the side, to the front, and back. So the leg you're standing on, it's going to be turning. Whenever you're going to be kicking, you're going to be kicking and pushing your body that way. And the leg you're standing on is going to be twisting as you kick. But as you kick, we always open. 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 And when you bring the kicking leg to you, you twist it back. So it's open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. So basically, on the standing leg, you do this. Just practice doing that by itself. For this, you need to kind of distribute your weight so it goes to the heel, so you kind of a little bit lifting your foot, and then so there are a few ways you can either flex your kicking foot, or you can start not by going back, you can go forward, to the side and back, and you switch it up. You can mix it up. You don't have to do 4 times one side and 4 times the other side. You can do 2 and 2. So this is why it's called traveling rocking, because this is the move that allows you to travel along the dance floor. So the more you kick, the more you're gonna travel. So you can actually kick and jump to that side. And because the basics for all of it is those micro jumps, then there is no problem at all. So again, let's see how it looks from the back. So try to keep your weight almost all the time on the leg you're standing on, and only balancing by pushing your weight with the kicking leg. This will allow you to control your body full, because if you're gonna relax and collapse and just go with it, you're just gonna fall. So it is always here. It is always, you're gonna be always present. So hopefully this was helpful. See you next time.